Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make mini shop building with the dimension around 9 meter and 12 meter. Okay, we have to prepare the rotated rectangle for the first step. Okay, then we can set the value. We can type 9 meter or 9,000 millimeter, and then we can drag to the back position around 12 meter or 12,000 millimeter. Then we have to make the thickness of this plane. We can use push it up. We can push it up around, we can set it around 600 millimeter, so we can make it group, and then we can move it to the upper position. We can move it to the upper position around, let's say 4 meter or 4,000 millimeter. Okay, then we can move and duplicate it around to the upper position around 4,000 millimeter or 4 meter. Okay, and after that we can make the front building. We can make the front wall anyway, but we have to make the wall first anyway. We can use the rectangle. We can place on from the corner to the corner. I'm sorry, you can place from the corner to the corner. Okay, then we have to offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Okay, and then we can erase it, and then we can push it up. We can push it up and make group, and then we can duplicate again to the upper position. Okay, then after duplicate we can make the opening. We can make the wall opening. We can set the height of the wall opening around 3 meter, for example, and 3 meter for the second floor anyway. And then we can set the wall opening. Maybe we can set from the edge of the wall around 800 millimeter, and then we can set the wall opening, door opening anyway. We can set the door opening in here around 4,000 millimeter. Okay, so we can make the rectangle. We can make the rectangle, and then we can push it to the back. Okay, we can push it to the back, and then we can push it to the back also. Okay, we can push it to the back also with a push tool anyway. Okay, so we got the basic shape of it, and then we can make the stair area on here. We can make the stair area on here around 2 meter only. We can duplicate it. We can use a tape measure tool around 2 meter. Okay, and then we can or maybe we can enlarge the structural position on it. We can drag around 500 from this, and we can drag more from this around 2000 millimeter. Then we can make a rectangle on here and push it back. We can make a rectangle and we can push it back. Okay, and after that we can make the door frame. Okay, so we can make the door frame right here with the tape measure tool. We can make the door frame around 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make the door frame with a pen, with a line anyway. And then we can offset it inside around 40 millimeter. We we can offset inside around 40 millimeter, and then we can erase it. So then we can push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and we can make group, okay, until to be like this. Okay, and after that we can make the color of this door frame anyway. We can make the color, so we can make the door of door leaf anyway. We can make the door leaf with a rectangle, and we can set the frame around 50 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it to the back around 45 millimeter approximately. So, and then we can make a rectangle to make a glass panel. Can make a rectangle to make a glass panel, and then we can set the thickness as proportional as possible. So, and after that we can make the glass material on here. Then we can make it one group and make component create, and after that we have to move and duplicate it to the another position, and we have to flip it and we have to flip it along with the green axis. Okay, and after that we can make the another frame on the side of the door. We can use line anyway, start from here through this corner and through this top corner also, and we can close in this corner. Okay, and after that we can triple click this triple line anyway. Then we have to offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 40 millimeter. So then we can close off every single edge on the right side of this basic pattern of the window glass panel, okay, to be the basic shape like this. So then we can push it to the back around 120 millimeter. Okay, and then after that we have to make it group. We have to make it group, and don't forget to assign the material with this frame material as same as the before. Okay, and then we can make the single frame right here. We can make the single frame from bottom corner to the right top corner anyway. Then we can set the thickness around maybe 30 millimeter, because it an iron, not aluminium, so it must be stronger than aluminium frame. Okay, and then we can make component, just grid. Okay, and after that we can move, and we can press Ctrl to our keyboard, and we can drag to the right side and place on here, and we can type 3/ and enter. So then we can delete some unnecessary vertical frame right here, then we can erase it. Okay, and after that we can make the rectangle to be a glass panel from the center corner to the center corner of the frame right here. Then we have to push it to the front around 10 millimeter, or as proportional as possible about the thickness of the glass standard anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the second floor exterior window frame of there. Okay, we can make it. Then we can use a rectangle anyway, from the bottom corner to the top right corner. Then we can offset it inside around 40 millimeter, and then we can erase this center plane to make a thickness about the perimeter frame over there around 120 millimeter. So we can make it group, and also we can assign again about the frame material with the previous frame material, which is with the black material of the frame material. Okay, and then we can make rectangle from this left edge for the center frame vertical material. Okay, then we can push it to the right side around 30 millimeter, because this is an iron, so the iron must be stronger than the aluminum material. Then we can make component, create it, and we can do the previous step, do the same the previous step. We can duplicate, press Ctrl and place on the right side, and we can type 3 slash, so it will be arranged automatically like this video. Then we have to make a glass material from the bottom corner to the top corner. Okay. And after that, we can also push it to the front around 10 millimeter. Then we can make group, and don't forget to place or assign the material with on a glass panel material. Okay, until this step, I suggest you to improve the 3D on your progress, because if we are still running on 3D progress, we can see about the potential, or the we can see about the potential or the another negative space anyway. So we can make the another variation about this area. We can make this to be stair area. We can make the stair area especially, so then we can make it larger than before, wider than before. Okay, then we can push it to the right around 500 millimeter, and also the bottom wall we can offset it also around 500 millimeter also. Then we can make the subtraction, or we can decrease this slab object. We can use the rectangle anyway, then we can push it down, so then we can push it to the back. Okay, it's just approximately like this. It's just for example anyway. Then we can subtract, or we can decrease this wall also. So this is would be stair area, so it would be big impact to our building exterior, or building exterior facade anyway. So, and after that we can make a additional floor over there. We can select this group anyway. We can make additional floor, and then we can push it to the front, maybe around 100 for 1500 millimeter, and then we can make the slab over there. We can make the slab over there without the enter the group. Just add the external slab anyway. Okay, like this. You can see this. Okay, and after that we can make the another variation about the stair area. For example, we can make the rectangle over there, then we can push it to the left around 150 millimeter. So then we can make group, and then we can make the corner glass anyway. So it will be impressive design concept and material look from this exterior building impression. Okay, so then we can make the line from here. Okay, and then we can we can push it to the right little bit 150 millimeter more, and also the top slab we can offset to the right side also. So then we can use line, and we can make the corner glass of the stair area anyway. So we can draw the perpendicular line like this, then we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Okay, it's just for example. You must see the standard about the standard of glass thickness by following the glass height anyway, and the type of the glass itself. Okay, so then we can push it up, and we can make group, and then we can assign the glass material also on this area. And after that, we can also make a little thickness of the wall right here, because it probably this area probably with will use column structural system or reinforced concrete anyway. So then we can make the frame of this corner glass anyway. We can use the line, and we can start from here to draw the perpendicular frame Then we can offset it inside around 120 millimeter over there, 120 millimeter. So then we can make close polyline over there. Then we have to push it up around 40 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make group. Okay, and after that we can assign the same material with the dark frame material. So then we can make component, create, then we just move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and we can place on the top position of the bottom beam. So then we can divide with /enter, so it will be automatically divide, something like this. It's look more modern look or more futuristic impression because of this corner glass stair area. So then we can make the edge frame over there with our rectangle, and then we can push it up until the top frame. Okay, and then we can make group and just make same material, and also we can make component, create, then we can move and duplicate it. Then we can also place on this, and we can rotate it around 90 degree. Okay, then we can move to the its position anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the floor over there. We can make the additional floor, additional something outdoor floor. We can use the rest area anyway. So then we can move it and duplicate it around 150 millimeter, and we can duplicate it again 150 millimeter, and we can duplicate it again 150 millimeter to make the additional staircase semi outdoor area anyway. Okay, okay, we can set the unthread just 300 centimeter by following this video. You can set the 300 centimeter. So then we can uh, decrease this space anyway, so we can make it um, wall element or landscape element. Okay, and after that we can just make it, and we can push it to the front anyway, and we can push it the little bit front, and we can make group, and we can just make the simple canopy in here, and just push it to the front again, and we can make the additional wall over there. So then we can push it to the front just a little bit maybe, or we can make the another canopy. We can make the another canopy over there. Then we can push it to the another side anyway. Okay, then we can make group. So then we can make the another canopy again over there. Maybe just like this. Then we can make group, and also we can make the another component about the balcony area. We can add the glass material. We can use a line to make a perimeter of the glass area, just like this. Then we can offset it outside around maybe around 15 millimeter of the glass railing thickness, like this. Then we can push it to the up around 1100 millimeter, and then we can make group and just make it the sign material with the material as we want anyway. Then we can also make the another element. We can make the another landscape element over there. We can scale it, and we can push it to the upper position over there. We can make the thickness of this landscape barrier, and we can make it group, and then we can make the another landscape area. Okay. And then we can assign the material with the landscaping, so it will make more impressive enough than before. Then we can make the landscaping in here, and we can assign the another material with the brick stucco. We can assign with the stucco material, or maybe we can just push it up again just a little bit. to make it more powerful exterior impression anyway. So you can push it more, just a little bit, and make it group, and we can assign another color of it. We can assign the to this color. Can assign to this color, and we can also push it up again to make more variation, to make it more impressive anyway. Then we can also assign the dark gray material, just for example. Okay, maybe just for example, then we can assign with um, chocolate material anyway. We can assign with the chocolate material of it. So then we can adjust the color in here. Okay, okay, it look more elegant anyway. It look more elegant. Then we can assign this wall to be the same color, or by this 3D modeling, we can also look aside. We can also look to the another side that we feel it's disgusting, or we need to improve anyway, because the grid design is when we doing it. Okay, if we only imagination, we cannot improve our design anyway. Okay, and after that, we can also assign with the rest material over there, and maybe we can also assign the landscape, little landscape over there. We can continue to make the little landscape in here to make it more sweet and homey. Okay, okay, and then we can offset it inside to make a landscaping element over there, and we can make group. We can enter the group and just select the concrete look on that material, on that object. Okay, and after that, we can also put the another component. We can also put the another component to make it more look representative atmosphere of the mini shop. So we can set the tree in here. So we can set the color of the tree, and we can also set the transparency of the tree anyway. So it will look more uh, representative enough. Can look just a little bit more. Okay, okay, then we can move it to the another side. Okay, and we can also assign the component, another component material. Maybe we can use this material in. We can place the component on this semi-outer floor anyway, and we can also set the shadow on this project. Okay, we can also set the shadow, and we can adjust the shadow itself. Okay, maybe we can set about the. Okay, I think it look impressive enough for this mini shop building design. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you will get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.